Hello. Doesn't get any more jubilee than that. That's what I said. £85 for a t-shirt. You know, I don't know. Nothing to worry about here. Hi there, my name is Elisa and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, usually I make tutorials for fashion DIY projects so you can recreate them at home. However, today is not one of those days. I have a quite fully packed day ahead of me, so I thought why not make a vlog out of it. For those of you who live in the UK, it's currently the Jubilee bank holiday weekend, which means I have a whopping 4 days off. How exciting. And I've got quite a lot of stuff to do. Obviously, as per usual, I have a sewing project planned. However, I'm going to tackle that one tomorrow. I also have to go to Mayfair because I am about to get my last tray of Invisalign. How exciting, because I've been doing this for the last 10 months and I was actually about to be finished a couple of weeks ago, like 1 week or 2 weeks ago. But I decided to go for 2 or so more trays to just, you know, fix a few more things that I want to have fixed. So that's what's gonna happen today. In the afternoon, I need to get ready for a wedding that I have been invited to as a +1 by one of my friends. He's been invited to a Caribbean Moroccan wedding and I'm so stoked to go, and if not for anything, it's probably I'm stoked for the food because it sounds like it's gonna be delicious, and that's gonna happen later today. I'm obviously going to wear one of my self-made dresses. I'm thinking about re-wearing one dress that I've made quite a while ago. It's like emerald green cowl neck slip dress, which I really love. It's just a really good basic to have, and I think you'd look put together but not like too over the top. So that's what I'm planning to wear today. I also need to go check it out right now to see if there are any stains on it or anything, because if there are, I need to give it a quick wash and hope that it's dry by the time I'm heading out tonight. And I also bought these cuties yesterday because I have quite a few weddings to go to this year, and I thought why not buy like a shoe that could go with like almost anything I would want to wear. And these are the ones that I ended up with. They're really pretty. I think they're like a, what is it, like an off-white sandy beige. They're not too yellow, which I like. I'm quite pale myself, so this looks like it's a good color for me to wear. It has a really nice soft footbed, which is important to me. And because this is so poofy and soft, it's very soft leather, I think I'm quite safe from blisters, which is always an issue for me. They were quite expensive, but I feel like they're a good investment for the wedding season this year, so I'm stoked to wear these tonight. Right, so that's the plan. The first thing I'm gonna do is go check out the dress that I'm gonna wear later, and then I'm gonna start making the pattern for the DIY project tomorrow, and then I can head into the city. Let's go. All right, where is the dress that I'm looking for? Good question. Maybe I don't even have it here. Damn, I'm pretty sure I don't have it here. That is not great. So I have to wear something else then. I mean, I still have this, which is good, I think. I like this dress. What do you think? I mean, this is not bad at all. Like, honestly. I keep forgetting how many good dresses I have in my wardrobe now. I've been making so much in the past year that it's kind of like easy to lose oversight, but I mean, this is the perfect wedding guest dress, isn't it? And the shoes look really nice with it too. I don't know if you can see them. That's what I said, they're the perfect color to go with everything. So I think I'll wear this and this bag, which is kind of that's my go-to wedding bag. I mean, I've been wearing this to most weddings I've gone to in the past like 3 years. This is not Chloe, if you're wondering. This is a bamboo bag that I bought in Croatia, and they said it's made in Bali because that's where these bags come from, and Chloe actually appropriated this design and made it popular, as big brands usually do. But these are apparently like quite common in Bali, in Indonesia. So I think that's what I'm gonna wear tonight. I'm pretty stoked about this. I definitely have to give the dress a press, and something that has always been an issue with this dress is it's just like gaping a little bit here. So I think I'm gonna just add a little dart here, just a tiny little dart, very small, to make it like flat and not gapey. So success! Great, that's done. Nothing to worry about here. So later I'm just gonna curl up my hair and redo my makeup and I'm good. So first chore of the day done. Alright, dress is pressed. I also added the little dart here, as I said I would, and now I'm done. Alright, so 12 more weeks of aligners. I did not expect it for some reason. Although I said this morning like 1 or 2 months. So it's a little bit longer than that, but I think it's fine. It's fine. The things we do for straight teeth is all I'm saying. Doesn't get any more jubilee than that. I mean, this looks very much like the hat of a queen. How about this one? Alright, so Malibon just always manages to show me that I'm not rich. I just went to a store called Rixo, which I only knew from Instagram, and they have really cute stuff, really cute, like typical British summertime clothes. But I mean, $85 or 85 pounds for a t-shirt, you know, I don't know. I don't know. I can make that t-shirt myself probably. And then kind of all the dresses that they have are very much like the dresses I make myself, and I also feel like I have so many dresses already. It would be such a waste to buy dresses in shops. So at the moment, no dress shopping for me. Hello. I just finished my pattern wearing a sheet mask to prep for my makeup, which I really have to do now because I only have 1 hour to get ready. So I need to do my makeup and I need to curl up my hair. So let's do it. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm celebrating my liberation.
pretty minimal. Might put on some lipstick later, and now I need to do my hair.